Hi, Terry VanNoy. Welcome to Math Class with Terry V. Hope this video helps you out, and if you enjoy it, please share it, comment, or like it. And you can also go to my website, MathPowerLine.com. It's a math resource blog, lesson videos for students, and other resources for parents and teachers. Give me a call or go to my website or email. All right, let's go to today's lesson. Let's get on with this video. This is a viewer challenge. We're talking about similar triangles. Here we go. I want you to try this on a piece of paper. Number one, are these triangles below similar to each other? Explain why or why not. Now I'll give you a little clue. You may not need it, but these triangles need to be kind of rotated around and drawn next to each other, pointed the same way. And that way you can really tell a lot better where the corresponding angles and sides are. And then you want to look for a scale factor, and that will tell you if they are similar or not. Next part, QN is parallel to RP. So here's QN and here's RP, and those are parallel lines. So that should tell you something about some angles in there, right? Now you're going to identify all the similar triangles and why the triangles are similar, and that'll be either side, 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 angle, side, angle. Okay, those are the properties and the theorems that you have studied with similar triangles. And then using that information, number three, find the length of TR. All right, good luck. Pause the video and come on back. As you can see, I have redrawn this large triangle and kind of rotated it around, and that way we can compare these sides. So now the 1 compares with the 2, the 3.5 compares with the 7, the 3 compares with the 6, and they are similar because that's a scale factor from small to large of 2. Everything's being doubled, and that's called SSS similarity. Okay, it's a scale factor between all three sides of each triangle. All right, let's move it up and take a look at the answer. The other answer is here. All right, number 2, we have triangle QNT. So notice QNT is similar to PRT. Now why is that, PRT? Well, what we have here is three angles congruent to each other. So this angle right here is congruent to this angle here because those are vertical angles right across from an intersecting point, right? Then we also have this angle here, the small one inside there at Q, because of the parallel line, is parallel to or is congruent to that angle there because that's alternate interior angles. Okay? And then this angle here, which is the one of those ones at N, is congruent to that one at R, same reason. Okay? Alternate interior angles. Now notice how we are kind of twisting it around. This angle congruent to that angle. This angle congruent to that angle. So that's why we name them in that direction. And that's called AA similarity. We actually do have three angles of one triangle congruent to three angles of the other, but you only need two to have similarity. And number 3, 7.2, finding TR. All right, how do we do that? Well, this means we have to write a proportion. I'm going to take the side labeled 5 right there, which is the longest side of the small triangle. I'm going to put it up there, and then I look for the longest side of the bigger triangle, and that would be 12. So the 5 side corresponds to the 12 side. Now the 3 side here in the small triangle must correspond to this side here. Remember how it kind of gets twisted from one side to the other in our similar triangles. And that does happen to be side TR. Okay, so we're going to do 5 times TR. We'll consider that a variable. Equals 36, 3 times 12. Divide each side by 5, and the length of TR is 36 divided by 5, which is 7.2. All right, so when we know there's a scale factor, we can write a proportion and solve for missing corresponding parts. Thanks for watching this video. Share it with others. All right, there you have it. I invite you to go to my website now, MathPowerLine.com, or email me or give me a call. The way I work best with students is live online in my classroom. So if I can help you in any way, answer some specific questions, the first lesson with me is free as I show you how everything works. All right, study hard and take care.